Hi, and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. This week, as promised, I'm going to do skincare, and I'm going to start with eczema. It actually affects quite a few friends of mine, and they have it on their face, their hands, their arms, and one person has it on their thigh. So, things that you can do using essential oils to help clear up eczema that are refreshing, and the best part, they actually work. We need things that work that aren't chemicals, right? So first off, we're going to start with our dry skin serum. Now the dry skin serum, we get this from Young Living. It's a blend and it feels amazing on the skin. It literally takes the dry skin and you can watch it heal within 2 minutes. It's actually very cool. It was very relieving for a friend of mine who works a lot with cleaning products. She actually cleans hospitals and is constantly working with chemicals. So this is helping her skin heal so she can actually feel good about her skin. And she does now, which is fantastic. Now we also have several different oils. We have our Helichrysum. Now that is a fantastic oil. It is good for all things skin. It has kind of a funky smell. It's a plant smell, right, to it, like a grassy plant smell. But it's very highly effective on skin issues, especially eczema and dermatitis. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it in a roller with some carrier oil, non-perfume carrier oil, such as MCT oil, which is your fractionated coconut oil. We can use the V6 oil from Young Living, make a roller bottle out of it, and you put it on our skin when needed. Also, you can put it in unscented lotion. Right, we want to make sure we have no scents because that fragrance word, legally they don't have to say what's creating that fragrance, and generally it is chemically produced. So let's stay away from the word fragrance in our products, right? We can get fragrance from natural products, right? Like essential oils. Another oil you can use is actually, believe it or not, thyme. Thyme is actually very effective for skin issues, especially with thyme being one of the spices. We kind of want to put that in a roller bottle and get it diluted down for the skin and get it where we need it, our face, arms, wherever you're finding the issues happening for you, right? And next up, we're going to do German chamomile, also a great one for skin, dermatitis, and eczema. Now, we don't want to start off using these oils directly on the skin. You can, but when you're trying them for the first time, it is best to have them diluted. Dilution actually helps them absorb slowly into the skin, right? Very important because we're dealing with our face, our arms, things that are seen by other people, things that you see every day. You want to make sure you're starting slow and building from there, right? I can handle things directly on my skin, but I've also been using essential oils for a long time, right? So we're going to start slow and we're going to dilute. Very, very important. Another one is, I'm holding in this hand, is patchouli. Yeah, it's not the hippie patchouli incense smell that we all kind of know and most of us hate from the 70s and 80s when it was really big as an incense or even a synthesized version as a perfume. A lot of you are going, ugh. Actually, real patchouli, it's not that bad, right? It's not as harsh as it was in the incense and the chemically synthesized version of it. Of course, it still has a bit of that smell, but it's not that overwhelmingly make you want to puke smell that was in the incense and the other perfumes that were made. I mean, it really kind of made patchouli get a bad name, but patchouli, believe it or not, is fantastic for your skin. Another thing I want to bring up with dermatitis and eczema, it may mean that you have a sulfur deficiency. So, I am not a doctor. May I suggest that you ask your doctor about it? Because if you have a sulfur deficiency and getting more sulfur into your diet or into your body may help resolve the issue on its own. In some cases, like my friend, she is working with chemicals all the time. They are reacting to her skin in a negative way. So what we want to do is get essential oils and have her skin react in a positive way and actually start healing. And we could actually visually see that heal happen when she was over here, and we just tried a few things because I was really curious to find out what was going to help her out because she was just so unhappy about it. So now she's happy. And another one that we have is rose ointment. I actually use this as my face cream every day. It has rose oil in it and quite a few other ingredients. This one feels incredible on the skin as well. It's kind of got this little waxy feeling to it. It's hard to touch. It warms up on the skin and you just massage it in. I got the light right on my hand so it's kind of glaring in the camera. But you massage it in the skin and you can actually, I don't know if you can see the difference. Oiled skin, there we go. Old skin, and where I put the rose ointment, look at the difference from the dryness, just dryness alone, right? So rose ointment's actually really, really good, and one of the reasons why I can be 51 and still have decent skin. Some of it's hereditary, of course, we know that part of it, but if you don't take care of your skin, it's gonna show, right? So that's why I use that. Also a note, if you're doing anything on your face, what happens to the face should happen to the neck, right? Treat them the same all the time. That is true for makeup, whatever you're putting on your face. Whatever happens to the face happens to the neck, right? Let's let these age together, right? Very important. Big side note there. So I think I've gone over all my oils that I wanted to present for you for eczema and dermatitis. I hope you find some relief in these oils. Please, again, do your research. This is the research that I have done, and I use Young Living essential oils only because I know that they are 100% therapeutic grade every time, every bottle. Why? They do the seed from the seed to the sealed bottle promise, right? They own and partner their farms all over the world. You can actually visit them. They distill on property. They bottle on property. You can't beat that. Anyhow, reach out to me, of course, with any questions you may have. I'm always here to answer questions. Plus, I also do take requests of things you might want to know about for essential oils. And you'll find my website right here. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right? So we'll get you hooked up. Ask me questions, ask me blends, whatever it is you're trying to do. I'm happy to help. All right? So if you like what I'm doing, hit that like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss another video. I keep doing them, and I keep introducing different ways to use essential oils. There is a lot of information to cover, so I'll get to do these for a long time. Fine by me. I actually very much enjoy doing these. If you have a request, reach out to me in the comments or email me. I'll put my contact info in the comments below. All right. Until then, happy oiling.